VWAP as well. Did not get any return to value. Never traded out of this distribution. Was interested to see if we got some type of break. An acceptance didn't happen. At the open. We just bounced off the VWAP at the open. I don't have it on this screen, guys. I have it up on this other monitor, but I am watching it, right? We just came right to it. Right here. Just it becomes too much on one monitor. It's just too much. Imagine this is a giant bull trap up here.
Feels like it for some reason, but we don't trade on feel.
Just imagine.
I'll go get some water. I'll be right
Imagine the possibilities. Point of control here.
Seconds.
There's a siren, Alacat. What are we doing? This has been the spot. Does it crack again this time finally? Or does it get bought up again? Bought up again. Bought up again.
Goes to the US ISO manufacturing PMI February report on the feed for those interested.
Look at that
It's a
wick.
heck of a buyout.
First had to gain after ISO manufacturing PMI.
This it's a 60-point wick.
I think there's, I mean, if you took ISM in a vacuum, yeah, but there's obviously a lot of variables. Yep. I bought that one that time. I was like, if it's going to keep doing it, I'm just going to, I'll trade it until it stops working because that has worked way too many points. Worked way too many times. Too many points to pass it up on it again. We just traversed this value area. Zoop, 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 zoop. ES still has 4% to go to gap fill.
Yeah, you got 1% US dollar after.
Goodness.
Rise 10 basis points on the day after ISM.
Did take it. I don't know how sustainable this is, though, based on this delta. We'll see.
ES is just pushing straight up on the delta. There's a composite low volume node.
Rejected. Fade value or extreme on this profile, guys. Just printing. We need somebody to sing that, Andy. Okay, let's wait for what we get next. I'm up. Let's do a trader check-in, guys. Top of the hour, 10 a.m. Taking this fade value or extreme, PDC long, and then it's just been fade value or extremes for me on this distribution. Waiting for good setups, trading the structure. Put me up at 531. Trading micros. Nice little equity push here, equity curve, the P&L. 82% win rate. 42 seconds average trade.
KBW Bank events and positive.
Nice, Ray. Now we can grind higher here. See if we get another rejection. The fact that it rejected, got bought up so quickly like that, and now we're kind of holding sideways on the delta. We'll see what happens, but we're still in upwards, overall upwards price momentum here. Do have this composite up here. $960. So we've rallied, 250 points out of the open there. Woke up this morning, I had a flat tire.
Oh no.
And
Did you run over a nail?
Probably. But luckily, my neighbor owns a mobile tire flat fixing company. It's like the best thing ever. I text him, and he literally comes over, he fixes my tire and leaves. And he won't let me pay him, which is kind of annoying. So I just send him Apple Cash. You can't reject that.
Right.
Yeah, yep. Absolutely. I mean, I think it's price momentum more than it's true trending conditions, Andy, because we can trade between the price deviation bands and still be in trending price discovery conditions. So I would consider outside of the bands as momentum. I do have a lot of mangoes, JP. I have a massive mango tree. It produces hundreds of mangoes every summer. It's awesome. I love mangoes. I have a banana tree as well. Unfortunately, the cold snap we just had here in Florida killed my banana trees, so we have to plant new ones.
Oh no.
Yeah, it sucks. They don't do well in that cold.
Today it's going to be a high of 36. This coming Saturday it'll be a high of 72. Gotta love March.
The Ides of March. What is it? March comes in like a lion and out like a lamb?
Supposedly. Had some of our biggest snowstorms on St. Patrick's Day.
Ooh, nice. All right, Alcat, you win. I love cherries, man. And pears and plums. Oh yeah, it's picking up momentum to the upside now. So if you're not already long up here, don't chase it. You got to wait now. You're either waiting for a good level to fade it from, or you're going to wait for a pullback. Yep. When you feel the emotions, step away, get grounded. We're not far from a pretty important LVN up here.
Then IB high is up there.
Shorts getting murder. Brr. Up a mortgage payment. Think I'll watch for a bit. Ain't that feel good? I'm only up a car payment.
Is that it?
I've done that before, Corey.
Battling it out
You know,
here.
dude, he's sitting right in front of you. I've been down to C class before. Okay, we want to watch how much this gets bought up here.
It was the yearly lower band on NQ. Oh, right there on ES too. Bought right up.
I mean, not something I'm necessarily proud of, Corey, but it's part of my story. Yep. Okay, that got bought up, right? That's what we were watching for. And it got bought up fast. All right. This might be is this the CVD is really interesting.
ES is more patterned off of price action than NQ is on CBD.
Dow's about to close the gap here. Not letting it fall yet, are they? Is this it?
One thing New York Times, Trump won't rule out US troops in Iran. US Treasuries extend for up to 10 basis points.
Value area high on ES.
That's a PDC long on the RTH right there on NQ. I bet Andy was watching that. I don't know if it's going to hold, but that was the setup. Good trade so far.
Trump told the Post on Monday that he's not ruling out sending US ground troops to Iran if they were necessary, and declared, "I don't care about bombing after launching strikes Saturday that would decapitate Iran's military and political leadership." According to CNN, Trump says a big wave has yet to come in the Iran war.
There's got to be some exhaustion here sooner or later, right? Big rotation down.
I can do this all day.
I have a feeling we'll go back down to that point of control sooner or later. The delta on NQ is now negative.
Is it?
Yep. Well, this was a beautiful short. I'm short at 920. I got about 25 points right here. Yes. Took it. $7.15.
It's bottom of that upper distribution on ES.
That point of control is now lined up with the upper band at 940, and it's the RTH VWAP all in the same spot right here. Pretty much here to here. Coming down heavy and fast, though, isn't it? So if this party is going to continue, oh, it didn't quite get there, did it? God damn it. Squeeze out the shorts. Squeeze them. They're like, this is it. We're going down. Squeezed. Whoosh. Didn't get that one, guys, unfortunately. I was waiting for a little lower. And didn't get it. Missed it. Andy, you get it?
No.
Nice. So I don't know. Are we going back to highs here? We're gonna have a lower high. So here we go. That's gonna do it for me today in this account, guys. Almost 800. Be right back.
Let's see. What's it doing here at value area high? Is it going to RTV on the RTH or continue back up? More down? Oh, that's good, Robert. 100 less trades than normal?
100. I think I'm going to buy some more of those Apex accounts, so I'll trade a new one of those. Do have a bit of a return to value exhaustion here, right? So this is a good short level now. This really helps my faders, my mean reversion traders, be patient waiting for the short, right? Until we broke this and held, the short became more feasible. Depends on the deal they're doing for the activation. They've been 65 during the 90% sale. They were like $65 on the 50K.
Someone in the chat was saying it's $100 all in for 50K.
Okay. So Robert's saying it's $79.
I didn't confirm. Let's push this down to point of control now.
For those of you guys, you traders who like to short strength, this tool is really helping us be patient. Right? You can't short a strong market until we trade back into a normal deviation area. Same as thing as like the return to value on the bands. But this will give you a little bit of an earlier signal. No, he didn't, David. I thought we couldn't do that without Congress approval. I thought airstrikes he could get away with, but boots on the ground needs Congress approval. That's what I thought. I guess he just does what he wants. Anyway, all right, back to the Globex deviation band. Here's the area I was watching. I'll take a little stab at this, see if it works. This is a setup. We got point of control, upper band. Trump won't rule out U.S. troops into Iran if necessary. All right, so far this is working. Would you look at that? Come on. It's about 20 points almost right there. 30. We were waiting for that one. There it is, guys. Another textbook trade. What fun. All right. Well, it looks like it might have been a little bit of an anemic bounce, but nice scalp regardless. Let's see if it holds up through 40. We're at 60 now. Delta's weak, but it's been weak. Nice.
In a CNN interview, Trump says the biggest surprise has been Iran's attacks against Arab countries.
Okay, let's see what happens down here. Coming into the 40s and 50s. Picked up one at 58, just one. I'm going to try and scale in and layer in a little bit here for a bigger bounce. See if we get it.
Yes, at the RTH.
RTH VWAP
NQ
here on
there,
NQ.
Big push
Lots
down.
of duckas. Watching. Here we go. Not a great trade, but profitable nonetheless. I'm out. See if it continues to hold. I'll scale in again with small size. If it continues to hold, back in at 58. Smaller size than what I had. Look like a back test, didn't it?
Looks like it.
I'm flat. Nope. There it goes. Oh well. Damn.
Well, ES is backtesting now into a low volume node.
That was like a 30-point bounce off of the RTH VWAP. Well, we have an initial balance. So tomorrow, guys, I'm going to be in Miami. We're doing some recording a podcast. I'm recording a podcast with Austin Silver and the CEO of Top One Futures. Be sure to ask him about the banning of metals in oil. 2 weeks. So, Chuck, you might be flying solo for the stream tomorrow.
Okay. We might be able to handle that.
I'll be driving down in insane Miami traffic.
Sounds like fun.
I haven't secured it yet, Chelly. I'm going to see him tomorrow, and he told me to text him and get it locked in. I just haven't. I've been really busy, so we'll make it happen. It'll be soon. Man, was that buy zone accurate or what? I had this marked out, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. That if we came down to it, we were going to look to go long.
Long on ES.
Yeah. Look at that. Would you look at that? Weird. Oh, we'll get one, Tony. We'll get one. If Zach gets one, I definitely get one.
Keep going. You just need to break out of the band. There you go.
Would you look at that, guys? I wish I was still holding it. I'm not. Anybody in the chat still holding that long that we marked out? Put a W in the chat, guys, so I can get an idea of who took the trade. And nice. Job, guys. Excellent spot to go long. We had Globex upper band. We have a point of control. And we had, what else? We had something else, didn't we? Oh, yeah. RTH VWAP was right there. So, what a great trade right here. Yep. Don't forget to book your profits.
0.1%, its lowest since January 22nd.
There you go. 10 points on ES as it rolls right through. We have a Madonna coming up.
The only way to stop the threat is to destroy missiles. Starmer says we are not joining US on Israeli offensive strikes.
Andy, you're going to join Chuck? That would be great.
He said he's available.
Hopefully it's a PDC day. Even better. You can watch the wizard do his magic. Ba-dum-ts.
We will keep decision on the round strikes and we'll review.
Oh, you're not a one-trick pony? Oh, man. 974 is interesting. That's where that composite is, slightly above the IB. Buyers really stepped in there.
CBD flattened out on ES. Still climbing on NQ.
Look at Bitcoin. Holy crap.
Dumping?
No,
it's flying.
It's flying. It's up 6%. Look at that. Look at that chart.
Oof. Discount.
65 to 69.5. There's some news about some major investment in Bitcoin or some banks dumping money into it or whatever. I really don't care, but not my thing. Never has been. Welcome back, Assassin. You missed a pretty nice trade here. Called out nice and early where we were looking to go long, and it pulled out. Price went right to the middle of it. That was the level. And you heard it here. Live. I used to love that show. I don't watch it anymore. I can't stay up that late anymore, LJ. I'm in bed by 9. All right, here we go. Coming up to the Madonna. Maybe Chuck will sing for us if we're lucky.
Nope.
Damn. Tried, guys. I tried.
Composite LVN, RTH upper band on ES. Coming right up. Coming right up. Lines up with the IB high. The pivot's just above the IB high. What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
I don't know. I'll tell you guys when I hit the button. I got it on the short button right now.
All right, we hit the composite low volume node. We hit the band. We hit value area high on ES. You're going to come up short?
I don't know. Let's be patient. I'm thinking overshoot as well.
Oh, yeah, you got that composite low volume node there.
I took my finger off the short button. I've decided to be more patient with this trade. I don't think it's going to happen as fast as we might think. You guys do what you guys do. Just telling you what I'm thinking.
Point of control just moved on ES. Come on. Just dip down a little bit. Dip down a little bit.
Okay, here we go. Still hasn't broke. Touched it. Come on. Took one. 47.5. Just one micro here. And give it a little room. 2.
Oh,
Would you look? Would you look? Oh, man, guys. Holy smokes. Nice, Hoku. Good job, brother. Hoku just passed his first evaluation. Yeah. I wish I had a soundboard for moments like that.
Crowd goes wild.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go for a walk, dude.
The Madonna strikes again. It does allocat in the voice channels, not on the stage channel.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Elite Daily, huh?
Yep, I was ready for that, Kurt. Boom. However, you can't trade metals or oil, so make your decisions. As long as you're trading NASDAQ or NQ or ES, you're good to go. Be right back. Hope you didn't get greedy on that trade. Went right back to RTH upper band. Right back to IB high. So it was about a 25, 30 point trade structurally. Bitcoin's still going straight up. It's up 6%. We had almost 200 people on the stream today at one point. It was like 196, I saw.
Wow.
And then we have the YouTube crowd. There's about 100 people there as well. So it's about 300 people total. Not bad for a live audience.
No.
Angel, best Madonna I've gotten. There's been some good ones. We've had a lot of really good ones lately. Good PDC off of RTH. Potato says by far my best day ever. 1,400 across 2 evals. Congratulations.
There you go.
It's a great day.
There we go.
That's clever. Very clever. Except he doesn't look or act like that whatsoever.
Not if he's got a mobile tire repair business.
He's super nice. He's awesome.
What's cool is it went back up and touched. And the Brittany trade was just as good. Went back up, hit IB high again.
Yeah. I mean, those
Double
are good
down.
levels up there. You know, price is starting to stabilize. So there's been a lot of really good opportunities if we were patient, waiting for good levels, and that's what we've done this session, and it's gone really, really well for us, hasn't it?
It has. There's the low volume on ES. Low volume node right there at 68.58.
There's been a lot of really good setups for a day like this. Yep. Or hit me, baby, one more time. Hello, cat. Bitcoin looks like it's at a second standard deviation. Abdullah. That's pretty extended.
Zoop. Look at that. Get bought right up to the tick off the upper band. Another 20 points.
I'm not saying it's not going to work. I'm just pointing out that that's the second deviation band. In a really strong market, that could absolutely work. Look at that, guys. I didn't take that
Put a
because I'm
dub
pretty
in it.
much done here, but that was like what? Who would have thought we'd have such a clean day today? I was really not expecting that.
Mm.
Sure is, Brian. Yeah, NQ has been beautiful today.
Yeah, post ratings article on the feed for those interested.
Almost. Well, that's good you're not frustrated, JP. Walk it off. Go look out the window.
And YouTube, love the VWAP Wave System. Big up from Morocco.
US Treasury Secretary Bessent says the Treasury is terminating all use of AlphaPix products. As Russia's Lavrov discusses Iran with Saudi counterpart.
Yeah, you chart the ES trade, Kevin, and then execute on MES.
Yep, correct. Hello, Cat.
You
Your
got
nitro animation is really cool. Look at this. It's the scream.
Fully expected. Remind me the videos on the feed.
Yeah.
All right, Hoku. Good work, man. Enjoy your Monday.
See you.
Yeah, they seem to be really good in gold too, Logger. I'm super happy with how they've come out. We did put a lot of time and work into the calculation with proper back testing, and this is kind of where we netted out, and I'm thrilled with it. It seems to be adding a lot of help to the fade side of the setups.
Wow, Arthur. That's fantastic.
Awesome, Arthur. Great work today. Excellent, guys. So, waiting for what's next. It's 11 o'clock. Why don't we do a little trader check-in? How are we doing today, guys? Oh, the Trump press conference is starting. It's a medal ceremony.
Mm. He's going to say something.
He can't help himself. Of course he's going to say something. But he's always provoked by reporters, too. So, they could be at something that's completely unrelated, and they'll ask him about the war, of course.
Oh, yeah. I mean, they're his biggest enemy.
Oh, Anthony. Sorry to hear that, man. With bigger rotations, when you're trading larger size. I've been trading micros today to kind of keep my risk exposure down on a day like today because these candles are pretty big, right? These 2-minute candles, especially earlier on, these are 70-point candles. With one mini, you get caught on the wrong side of action, it could go bad really quick.
Says it will be closed on March 3rd.
Nice, Alex.
Fantastic.
After this huge move, after like 6 minutes, we've just been trading in this kind of 800 to 900 range, 950, 930. I'll be right back.
Hmm. I mean, that's what I have, Henry. I have 15 buttons. I don't need them all. Do just fine with 8. Gold dumping. Gold's dumping down to 52.83.
hours later, last down 0.2%.
Let's push it down. I'm gonna go down, fading off a value area high. Price doesn't want to go down. Not today. ES hung out at point of control for quite a bit. Back to the yearly lower band for both NQ and ES. Where are we here? IB high again? Oof.
It's starting to look a bit ascending triangle-esque, isn't it?
Just got sold into.
Yeah, so is silver. Gold, silver dumping. Abdullah, that Bitcoin PDC off second deviation band worked really, really well. So that's cool. Oil holding lower deviation here. Looks like it might try to break it. Tick strike down again.
Nope, it's ticking away.
I had to close and restart, I guess.
Keep waiting for this at 961. I don't know if this is the right time to do that, though.
What, short it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a short until it's not, right?
Yeah. Just know that ES has value area high at 68.75 and a quarter.
And we
But
do
IB
have
high is just above it.
we do have an ascending triangle on both indexes, which
Yeah, I
leads
think
me to believe
961. It's a little tight.
we're working on selling
980.
this, buying into this level. Doesn't mean it can't sell off a couple more times before it breaks it, but generally what it means.
And here it comes.
This looks like it wants to break to me on NQ. So I'd be
Yeah.
careful on ES because NQ can pull ES with it.
There's the pivot. lines up on the RSI.
No trade for me here. I'm waiting. I would wait. Now we're coming up to the price deviation.
Yeah.
And
That's Madonna on ES. I'll be right back.
Okay, this is the spot from the deviation.
ES came up to Friday's IBI.
And we look for the back test. So I shorted the deviation. There we go. Shorted the deviation there. Because those work, those are pretty high probability trades, guys. Especially once we've developed some range. These extremes tend to work really, really well. So
There it goes.
there's the back test. So I took it just to the back test area.
Came back to my entry and I hit reverse. Now I'm long.
Nice.
Let's go. ES pulled back to value area high, the composite low volume node, waiting to close position when ES hits pivot. Will it do it?
I think we'll continue to rotate. I don't know that we're going to catch a lot of more momentum here, but we'll see, especially as we're going into the Trump thing. We'll see.
Get about 5 indecision candles here above IB high. Seems to be a pattern. I mean, Friday's IB high is at 998. Now ES made a new high. Say something good. A little bit of push. The breaking back test, or is Madonna going to be the rotate? Nope.
Nice, David. What are you saying he's going to say? Will Trump say? What will Trump say? The word cookie? He's going to say the word cookie? Is that what you're buying? Well, that fade value or extreme work, guys. Let's see you guys in the chat. I just want to take an idea. Who took that fade value or extreme off the new tool here? It was a beaut. Awesome, guys. Just trying to get an idea for who's getting in on these trades and taking these signals and setups. Corey did. This guy, who's got 2 thumbs and took a lot of winning trades today. This guy. Well, good day for a Monday. I'm not taking any more trades today. I had a great morning. I'm very happy with my trading performance today. Just under 1K between my cash account and my Apex account that I traded today. So I'm going to leave that for a positive Monday after not knowing what I was going to step in today, and I'm very happy with it.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, we reviewing charts afterwards.
Says effective March 2nd, US Consulate General temporarily suspended operations.
Was a nice short. Yeah, Corey, it's time for the 10K brand. Lazy. Psh. I go through all the work of making these nice fancy badges for you guys.
BDC right off the RTH upper band on ES.
Would you
And
end on
in-
NQ? It's just coiling tighter now, though. Nice, Corey. Good work. It does. It's been awesome. It also works really good on gold. Didn't work there. Worked there. Look at that. Here. Didn't work here. And then it kind of worked here. It bounced a little bit and then lost it. And then once you returned, there was another move. Now there's no signal. Gold's also much more volatile today. It works better in volatility compression, not expansion. They are not Bollinger Bands, no. This is Bollinger Bands. All right, that's Bollinger Bands. Very different, entirely. See the difference? Big difference. Just because they're bands doesn't mean they're Bollinger Bands. Everybody on Instagram and YouTube sees bands. They're like, oh, Bollinger Bands. Done.
Right? If you say so.
No. And you're still not going to use them. We don't use Bollinger Bands here.
There you go. Right on point of control now.
Call him out, Ray.
Good job, Eric.
Hey, Simon. Eric, seems like everybody had a really good day today. Well, we're going to wrap up here in a couple minutes. Why don't we do one more trader check-in before we finish up here today?
They both say 8 more minutes, Mom. Nice, Mikey. Way to go.
Quite nice. Great day overall for everybody. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to shut it down here for a Monday. Join Chuck tomorrow because I'm going to be in Miami recording some podcasts with the ASFX crew. I'll take some pictures. For those of you who are meeting us down in Fort Lauderdale tomorrow, we have that meet and greet. That's in the announcements. If you haven't seen it, come join us. Come meet us. Fort Lauderdale tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. New York time. Brian's going to be there, hopefully. All right, Brian's going to be there. Juan, you coming?
He wants to be.
Juan will be there. All right, Jay's coming from Tampa. Probably visiting. What do you say? You're visiting some friends or family or something? All right, we're going to have a couple of the crew there tomorrow evening. Mark is flying in from Austria for it.
All right.
That'd be awesome. Maybe one day, Marcus. We'll get there. I'll tell you what, most people from Germany and Austria don't hate coming to visit Fort Lauderdale in South Florida, Miami. It's a pretty popular destination. All right, guys. So join Chuck tomorrow. He's going to manage the stream for us with Andy, PDC Wizard, tomorrow morning. So come join them, support them. Be easy on them, even though they can definitely handle it.
We got it.
They got it. If you want to keep on trading,
Yes,
you can
finally.
head on over to the voice trading rooms. You can share your mic, share your screens. Remember, when you're in the voice channels, try to be respectful of your other members here. Very important to treat everybody with respect. Any type of disrespect will not be tolerated in this community. We'll be back tomorrow. We have Asia stream is not going to be on tomorrow because I will be at the meetup. So we'll be back at it on Wednesday for the Asia stream. Chuck has a couple classes. Chuck, why don't you give a quick review of the classes you have coming this week?
Yeah, we've got success with VWS tonight at 7 p.m. Wednesday at 12:30. After the stream, we're going to go ahead and have another setup seminar where we talk about return to value. And we've got, we may have some changes to the new member orientation that we need to hash out some details of this week, but we'll have all of that updated for you tomorrow.
That's right. All right, guys, if you're going to keep trading, manage your risk, stay sharp. For those of you that are going to be in Fort Lauderdale tomorrow, looking forward to meeting you all and having a nice time. And I will be back on Wednesday morning, 9:30 a.m. So have a wonderful time, guys. Inner Circle, we're going to meet for a recap. See you guys shortly. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Enjoy your Mondays. Thanks, Chuck.
See ya.